everybody. I got stuff in the mail. Let's find out what it is. Alrighty. One at a time. Little one first. Da, da, da. Ooh. Okay. This I ordered. This is for me. So they stopped making these a while back. This is the Xbox wireless controller receiver for PC. And you might be like, the Xbox controller's got Bluetooth, Brian. Come on, get with it. Didn't always have Bluetooth, and it still has something other than Bluetooth to connect to the console. It actually uses a Wi-Fi variant. The proprietary Xbox controller protocol runs over Wi-Fi to connect the controller to the console, and you can have one on your PC. And I've been using one for years, hooked up to my monitor right over here, and I love it. Always reliable, always great, just easy connect. And you can also very easily connect multiple controllers, and it's a great way to be able to have multiplayer on a single PC, assuming you get in and around it well enough. But they stopped making them a bunch of years ago, so picked one up on eBay for another. All right, jazzed about that. That's for me. I got that. Let's set it on the side. Crinkle. Okay, what's your story? Oh, well. Ooh! So Cudy sent this over. Thanks, Cudy, for me to check out and talk about a bit. No money exchange hands, blah, 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 all that stuff. Opinions my own. But coordinated through X-I-T guy, buddy over there. Love it. Thank you so much, X-I-T guy. And hey, if you know me and not him, go check him out. I am going to be looking at this pretty soon. It's just a 5 port Ethernet switch. It's 2.5 gig, and it's powered by USB. If only I had just recently been talking about being able to look at the power of USB with some kind of USB meter. Go check that one out if you haven't yet. So yeah, just a couple of things came in the mail. Wanted to be able to share those. All right, y'all, take it easy.